we're gonna learn this trick today. Let's go!
Hello guys! Welcome to Happy Hoopy Life! Today, I'm going to show you guys some really cool but easy twin hula hoop trick. I got this trick from my friend Pika. It's like this. Wow! Isn't it amazing? So she gave me some tips and now I want to share you guys some of the tips as well. Let's grab 2 hula hoops and let's do it! So for this trick, you only need 4 steps. It's super cool but super easy trick. Make sure you wear the comfortable clothes so you can lift the hula hoop up and get ready for 2 hula hoops. And now I have pink hula hoop and yellow hula hoop. I'm gonna go ahead to put the pink hula hoop on the floor and yellow hula hoop on your hand. It doesn't matter which hand you hold the hula hoop. And first step, you're gonna put the foot under the pink hula hoop. Like this. And now, you're gonna bring your yellow hula hoop, other hula hoop on the floor. And then, cross over the yellow hula hoop. Go in front of the yellow hula hoop. And then you have other leg. This other leg comes between pink and yellow hula hoop. You are like this shape. And then from here, you always hold the yellow hula hoop on your hand. And other hand, you can just hold yellow hula hoop, or you can put any part of your body. And then slowly you're gonna lift your yellow hula hoop up. Like this. And then make sure your pink hula hoop is nice and straight. And then if you have hard time to bring the hula hoop up, you can just wiggle, 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 wiggle. And it's like this now. It's like this. And from here, you can hold the pink hula hoop and open. That's it! So hopefully you can do this trick now. But if you cannot do this trick, don't worry. Shiho couldn't figure out this trick and then I practiced. It's still not perfect. But it's okay. Everybody has a different level. If you practice, 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 you get it. So hopefully you enjoy hula hooping and then I will see you guys in next video. Thank you very much for watching. And if you like this trick, if you want to learn any other trick, please leave the comment. And don't forget to like the video. So Shiho will be very happy. And one more thing, if you don't subscribe Happy Hoopy Life channel yet, please subscribe the channel and you can join my Happy Hoopy Life. Thank you very much. Bye. またね.
Shine